Today I have a Yamaha R25 V1, also known as a Yamaha R3 V1. I'm going to show you how to change the spark plugs on the bike. I am using NGK Iridium IX spark plugs CR9EIX. First, you will need to remove the seat. Then you will need to remove these two bolts at the side, which then reveals the two nuts holding the front seat. Once you got the seat off, you will need to remove the side panels, which has two bolts on both sides. Once you have the side covers removed, you need to remove this side piece. There are two bolts here and plastic pull pins, one here and two on the inside. Once the cover has been removed, you need to remove the tank cover, which is one screw here and two screws, two on both sides. Then to take off the tank cover, there are two hooks somewhere here, which you need to wiggle the tank off to get the hooks up. Once you got the tank cover off, you will need to remove the tank, which has two bolts here and two bolts here. Once you've gotten your tank off, I just carried mine and moved it to the back and cable tied it here for support. You can also remove the fuel lines at the bottom if you like. Then you need to take off your spark plug coils and use a spark plug wrench to remove your spark plug. After you remove your spark plug, it will look like the one on the right after 26,000 kilometers. And this is the iridium spark plug. Once your new spark plugs are in, you need to put in the coils back on the same order. The left one for the left side and right one for the right side. Don't mix it up. Once you put the coil caps back on, make sure they're in place and you hear the clicking noise. Then make sure the cables are behind the guard and test to see if it runs properly. Once you got your tank back on, it's just the same as disassembly. You put the tank cover back on, the front covers, the side cover, the front seat, the panel and the rear seat.